Hey friends, if you wish to fix system configuration cannot save the original boot configuration error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to rebuild the BCD. So copy these set of commands, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. The last solution will be a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish and then finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.